Start. Hello, the video which you will be seeing right now is an embedded system based project titled Controlling Robo Using Hand Gestures. This means that with this project we can control the robo simply by our hand movements. Motion gaming is one of the best applications for this project. But this project is not limited to just gaming. It is also used for performing surgeries and to do some undersea operations. As we are using low range RF module in this project, for wireless operation the range is less, but we can increase the range to much higher values by just using high range RF modules. As this project is wireless, we have two parts in it. One is the receiving part and the other is the transmitting part. Let us talk about the transmitting part first. The transmitting part is the hand from where the analog signals are generated. The main component here is accelerometer. An accelerometer is a 10-pin device in which we are using just 4 pins. One for ground, one for 3.3 volt supply, one for x-axis and the last one for y-axis. This circuit is used to detect the hand movements and generate analog signals. The analog signals that are generated from the accelerometer along with the power supply are sent to 8-channel ADC board. ADC stands for Analog to Digital Conversion Board. This circuit consists of a ADC chip to convert analog signals to digital signals. These pins are used to generate clock pulse and to set end of conversion pin and to enable interrupt. These pins are connected to the port 3 of the motherboard. Similarly, the digital signals generated through the ADC board are connected to the port 1 of the motherboard. This is the power socket and this is the regulator. The power switch here is this. These signals are then sent to the transmitting circuit through port 0 of the motherboard. From here the signals are sent to the receiving port. The receiving part is a robo which receives the signals through the receiving antenna present in this circuit. From here the signals are sent to the port 0 of the motherboard. Now this motherboard is the heart of the project. Here we are using microcontroller NXP P89V51RD2 developed by Philips. These two ICs called L293DNE is used for motors. We are using two motors, one for each wheel. The left wheel is connected to M1, that is motor 1, and the right wheel is connected to M3, that is motor 3. This is another integrated circuit called MAX232, which is used when we are dumping code into microcontroller through RS232 cable. The white boxes which are appearing around the IC are called box capacitors. These capacitors are used to add extra voltage to the MAX232. In this motherboard we are using a reset button, 4 switches, 4 LEDs, resistors, capacitors to store the voltage, diodes to give direction to the current, and 2 main switches, one for motors and the other for power. Now let us see the working of the project. All the transmitting part of the project is inserted into the glove.